Guess the name of this bird. It's parrot. Guess the name of this bird. It's eagle. Guess the name of this bird. It's owl. Guess the name of this bird. It's peacock. Guess the name of this bird. It's pigeon. Guess the name of this bird. It's crow. Guess the name of this bird. It's kingfisher. Guess the name of this bird. It's flamingo. Guess the name of this bird. It's hummingbird. Guess the name of this bird. It's sparrow. Guess the name of this bird. It's swan. Guess the name of this bird. It's woodpecker. Guess the name of this bird. It's penguin. Guess the name of this bird. It's ostrich. Guess the name of this bird. It's hornbill. Guess the name of this bird. It's cuckoo. Guess the name of this bird. It's pelican. Guess the name of this bird. It's stork. Guess the name of this bird. It's duck. Guess the name of this bird. It's falcon. Guess the name of this bird. It's vulture. Guess the name of this bird. It's dove. Guess the name of this bird. It's robin. Guess the name of this bird. It's albatross. Guess the name of this bird. It's canary. Guess the name of this bird. It's macaw. Guess the name of this bird. It's quail. Guess the name of this bird. It's kite. Guess the name of this bird. It's magpie. Guess the name of this bird. It's turkey. Bravo, you gained new bird names. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, StudyPiller.